Hey, 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 welcome back to Next Level English, the only English podcast where you actually have fun while your brain secretly gets smarter. I am your host, Maya, and today is going to be something special.
And I am Tom. And Maya, before we start, I need to confess something. Last night, I tried to set up my new smart speaker, and I talked to it for 20 minutes, and nothing worked. Nothing. Zero.
Oh no. Oh, Tom, what happened?
I kept saying the wrong English phrases. I said, hello, light, please on, and the speaker just ignored me like I was invisible.
Hello, lights, please on. Tom, that is adorable. And that is exactly why today we are going to fix that. Today on Next Level English, we are diving deep into English for smart home setup. The vocabulary, the key phrases, the natural chunks that native speakers actually use when they set up their smart devices. And trust me, after today, your smart speaker will finally listen to you.
My dream is coming true.
Okay, so let us jump right in. Tom, imagine you just bought a brand new smart speaker. You open the box. What is the very first thing you need to do?
Turn it on?
Yes, but how do you say it? The native chunk, the real expression, is plug it in. Plug it in. Say it with me, Tom.
Plug it in.
Beautiful. Plug it in. And one more time. Plug it in. That is your first smart home chunk. You do not say connect the electricity. You do not say insert into socket. You say plug it in. Natural, smooth, native level English. Plug it in.
I love that. Plug it in. So simple, but so natural.
Right. And the moment you plug it in, your device is going to ask you to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Now, this is where a lot of English learners freeze up because the vocabulary gets a little technical. So, Tom, let us break this down. The first word you need to know is network. Network. What is a network, Tom?
Is it like a group of devices that are connected together?
Perfect. Yes. A network is a system that connects your devices. Your home Wi-Fi is your home network. And when your smart speaker says connect to a network, it means connect to your Wi-Fi. Now, here's a chunk. Are you ready?
Ready.
Connect to your home network. Connect to your home network. Say it.
Connect to your home network.
One more time, connect to your home network. And that phrase, connect to your home network, you will hear that in every smart home app, every single one. So burn it into your brain. Connect to your home network.
I already feel smarter.
You should. Now, Tom, let me ask you something. Have you ever heard the word compatible?
Yes, but I never really understood it.
Okay, so compatible is a beautiful and very important word for smart home English. Compatible means two devices can work together. Like if your smart bulb is compatible with your smart speaker, they can talk to each other. They can work together. Compatible. And the key sentence you'll hear all the time is this device compatible with Alexa? Or is this compatible with Google Home? Compatible. Say it, Tom.
Compatible.
Again, compatible.
Compatible.
One more time for the people in the back. Compatible.
Compatible.
Yes, compatible. And here's a pro tip. Whenever you're shopping for a smart home device, the first sentence to say is this compatible with my system? Is this compatible with my system? That one sentence, it saves you so much money and so much frustration. Is this compatible with my system?
That is gold. I wish I knew that before I bought 3 smart bulbs that did not work with my speaker.
3? Oh, Tom. Okay, moving on. Next big vocabulary word. And this one is everywhere in smart home English. The word is sync. S-Y-N-C. Sync. Tom, have you heard this word?
Yes, like syncing your phone?
Exactly. Sync means to connect two devices so they share information and work together perfectly. When your smart thermostat syncs with your phone, they are connected. They talk to each other. And the most common phrase is sync your device. Sync your device. Or your device is now synced. Sync your device. Say it.
Sync your device.
Again, sync your device.
Sync your device.
Beautiful. Sync your device. And when the sync is successful, your app will usually say, your device is now synced. That means everything is connected and working. Your device is now synced. That's Smart Home English Level 2 right there.
I feel like I'm actually building a smart home right now.
You kind of are. Okay, Tom, now let's talk about something really exciting, voice commands. Because what is the whole point of a smart home?
So you can be lazy?
Exactly. So you can be beautifully, gloriously lazy. And for that, you need to know your voice command vocabulary. Now, the most important word in voice commands is activate. Activate. It means to turn something on or make something start. And the everyday version of activate is just turn on. Turn on. Like, hey Alexa, turn on the lights. Turn on the lights. Say it, Tom.
Turn on the lights.
Perfect. And the opposite, turn off. Turn off the lights. These two, turn on and turn off, are the most used smart home commands in the English language. Turn on, turn off. Simple, but powerful.
Turn on, turn off. Got it.
Now here's where it gets a little more interesting, because smart home English is not just turn on and turn off, there's a whole family of commands. And one of my favorites is dim the lights. Dim, D-I-M. To dim means to make the lights softer, lower, less bright. Not turn off, just softer. Dim the lights. Tom, say it like you mean it.
Dim the lights.
Ooh, that was very romantic, actually.
I'm setting the mood.
Okay. Moving on before this gets too romantic. Another great command is adjust. Adjust. To adjust means to change something slightly, like adjust the temperature. Adjust the temperature. This is what you say to your smart thermostat. Your thermostat is a device that controls the heat and the air conditioning in your home. And the command is adjust the temperature to 70 degrees. Adjust the temperature. Say it.
Adjust the temperature.
Perfect. Adjust the temperature. And one more time, adjust the temperature. That phrase, adjust the temperature, it is pure native level smart home English.
My thermostat is going to be so impressed with me.
Your thermostat is going to fall in love with you. Okay, Tom, now let us talk about one of the most important concepts in smart home English. And the word is routine. Routine. A routine is a set of actions that happen automatically at a certain time or trigger, like my morning routine. Every morning at 7, the lights turn on, the coffee maker starts, and the news plays. That whole automatic sequence is called a routine. Routine.
Oh, so it is like a smart home schedule?
Yes, exactly. And the chunk you need is set up a routine. Set up a routine. This is what you do in your smart home app. You go in and you set up a routine. Set up a routine. Tom, say it.
Set up a routine.
One more time. Set up a routine.
Set up a routine.
Beautiful. Set up a routine. And when you explain your routine to someone, you say, I set up a morning routine, or I have a bedtime routine on my smart speaker. I set up a routine. That sentence, it sounds so natural, so fluent, so confident.
Maya, can I add something here?
Of course.
There's also the word trigger, right? Like what starts the routine?
Ah, yes, Tom, that is amazing. A trigger is the thing that starts a routine. It can be a time, like 7 in the morning, or it can be an action, like when you open the front door. The trigger starts everything. And the sentence is, what is the trigger for this routine? What is the trigger for this routine? That is expert level smart home English right there. What is the trigger for this routine?
I feel like a smart home engineer right now.
You kind of are. Okay, we have covered so much, and I want to do a quick review because at Next Level English, we believe repetition is the mother of fluency. So let us quickly go through everything we learned today. Tom, you start.
Okay, first, plug it in. When you connect your device to electricity, plug it in.
Love it. Next, connect to your home network. When you set up your Wi-Fi, connect to your home network.
Then, compatible. When two devices can work together, they are compatible. Is this compatible with my system?
Perfect. Then sync your device. When your devices connect and share information, sync your device. And your device is now synced.
Then turn on and turn off, the two most powerful smart home commands in English. Turn on the lights, turn off the lights.
And dim the lights when you want softer, more romantic lighting.
Very important for smart home romance.
Then adjust the temperature. When you talk to your thermostat, adjust the temperature.
And finally, set up a routine. When you create an automatic schedule, set up a routine. And the trigger is what starts it.
That was perfect, Tom, honestly. And my English learning friends, if you just learned 3 of those phrases today, your smart home English just leveled up. 3 phrases. That's all it takes.
This is why I love this podcast.
Okay, Tom, let us do a fun little role play now, because the best way to practice is to actually use the language. So I'm going to be the smart speaker, and you're going to set up your smart home using only the English we learned today. Ready?
Oh, this is like a test.
A fun test. Okay, I'm ready. Go ahead, Tom. Pretend you just opened the box.
Okay, first I'm going to plug it in. And now I need to connect to my home network. Smart speaker, are you compatible with Google Home?
Yes, I am compatible with Google Home. Please sync your device.
Okay, I'm syncing my device. And now turn on the lights.
Turning on the lights.
Dim the lights.
Dimming the lights.
Adjust the temperature to a very romantic 24 degrees.
24 degrees. Very specific.
And set up a morning routine every day at 7, play Next Level English.
Oh, I love that routine. That is the best smart home routine I have ever heard.
Best trigger, wake up and learn English.
That's next level living right there. Okay, my friends, let's bring this home. Pun intended. Smart home, bring it home. Get it?
Oh, I see what you did there.
Thank you. I have been waiting to say that all episode. Okay, so today on Next Level English, we learned the essential English vocabulary in chunks for your smart home setup. We learned plug it in, connect to your home network, compatible, sync your device, turn on, turn off, dim the lights, adjust the temperature, and set up a routine. And the bonus word, trigger. That's a full smart home vocabulary toolkit in one episode.
And honestly, the next time I try to set up my smart speaker, I'm going to walk in there with confidence.
Yes, and your speaker will finally listen to you because you're going to speak to it in clean, natural, native level English. And that, my friends, is what Next Level English is all about. Not just memorizing words, using them, living them, speaking them out loud until they feel like yours.
Maya, before we close, can I say one more thing?
Always.
I just want to say if you're out there learning English right now, you're already doing something incredible. Every episode you listen to, every phrase you repeat, every word you add to your brain, that's real progress. You might not feel it yet, but it's happening. Keep going.
Tom, that was beautiful.
Don't make it weird.
Too late. It's already beautiful and weird. Okay, my amazing Next Level English family, that's a wrap for today. If this episode helped you, and I know it did, please do one thing for us. Leave a comment below. Tell us which phrase from today was your favorite. Was it plug it in? Was it adjust the temperature? Or maybe dim the lights for your romantic smart home evenings? Tell us in the comments. And if you're new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button because every single week we come back here and we make your English better, smarter, and honestly, a lot more fun. I'm Maya.
I'm Tom.
And this is Next Level English. We'll see you in the next one.
See you soon.